We are here today to launch the sponsorship that Sona is doing with TG Ceathair. We are the new broadcast sponsors of Peil mBan.
TG Ceathair are very pleased that Sona have come on board as broadcast sponsor of Peil mBan, which is TG Ceathair's live coverage of ladies Gaelic football. I'm delighted to be at Croke Park today to announce our new partnership with such a fantastic Irish company as Sona. Sona understands the importance of supporting women in Irish sport, and I believe this broadcast sponsorship will be a great success for ourselves, Sona and ladies Gaelic football.
Sona is the largest vitamin and supplement manufacturer in Ireland. We're based in Ballymount. We've been trading for over 30 years and we supply our product to most pharmacies around the country. We're delighted to be involved this year as the broadcast sponsor with TG Ceathair.
It's a really great fit for Sona. We're an Irish company and we're really keen to get behind Irish sport and in particular women in sport, so this was a great fit for us, and to have somebody like Valerie on board who is going to be our brand ambassador for the year, it's really exciting.
It's wonderful to be an ambassador for Sona. I'm delighted and thrilled. It's great to have an Irish product promoting Irish women in sport, and I think it's a massive thing for ladies football and it's great for the exposure as well. Well, as an athlete, I'm well aware that it's very important to keep a healthy balance between sport and being active and also nutrition. So it's wonderful to be taking vitamins, trying to optimise your health.
Sona Vitamins, support like no other.